Hey family, I am checking on my banana trees. I don't expect to get any fruit, plus I'm allergic, but it's nice to look at the plant in its splendor. These two plants were planted at the same time. I think they're different varieties though. Deer scat. You see that? They're looking for food everywhere. What can you do? But anyways, the bananas look nice. Although I got some damage on the leaf up there. I'm thinking that's Japanese beetle damage. And basically it's just they're eating away at the leaf. See that skeletal leaf? I'm pretty sure it's Japanese beetle. Even though I haven't seen that many this year. Yellowing of the leaves. I'll take those yellow leaves off or let them drop. They're good for conditioning the soil or making your soil a little bit more healthy. And then we have this one. And again, I think they are different varieties just based on the height, or it could be just where they are positioned. They're under the same conditions. Wood chips. This looks like it has 3 pups now, like 3 trees together. 1, 2, 3. And this has multiple. These are multiple trees. Again, see all those down there? It's about 4 or 5. Oh wow, more than that. 2, 4, 6, 8. It's about 8 banana trees clustered together. Those leaves are huge. Even if I don't get any fruit, or like they say, racks off of these, and it could be a banana, it could be a plantain. These were gifted to me. They are still definitely beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching.